Hey guys, Crispy Vids, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a unboxing and comparison between the Apple TV 4K 2021 version and the Apple TV 4K 2022 version. So there's not much differences in these now. It's a bit of a small upgrade. It's not a very big cycling thing, the Apple TV. It doesn't really come in and out of a yearly cycle like the phones and watches and everything else. So probably some of the biggest differences is now you can get slightly more storage if you need it. Never really needed any more than the 64 that I have here for the Apple TV 4K 2021. The Apple TV 2021, it does Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG. The new 2022 version does Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus and HDR10 and HLG. So that's one of the main differences. They've added the 10 Plus HDR video format into the new Apple TV. And also it's got Wi-Fi 6 with the new Stimulus dual band 2.4 and 5 gig, and they come now with the smallest version of the 4K. Doesn't come with the Ethernet. You got to buy the 128 to get the Ethernet. So I don't know why they did that. Probably just save a bit of money. The other difference is this has the A12 Bionic chip in it. The new one has the A15 Bionic chip in it. So there's not a massive amount of differences in the Apple TVs. If you had this one, not really worth the upgrade, even though the price point of these have come down a bit. So that's always good. So they're a bit more, you know, in the market to sell more Apple TV 4Ks because of that price drop. They're a little bit high in the price point, but they are a great device. And one of the only things, if you don't have a TV that has AirPlay or anything like that on it, you can stream all your stuff from your phone on it. Probably one of the best options when you don't have a AirPlay TV. So let's get this one out and just have a look. The other major thing is that it comes with the new one comes with USB-C rather than Lightning charging now. So Apple's slowly making their way over to all USB-C, and it is a fraction smaller now. And I believe that it doesn't have the TV symbol written in the top there anymore. It's just got the Apple sign. So let's get this out and have a look and do a bit of a comparison. You can also see it's a much smaller box this year. So they've gone for a much smaller design. So there's the Apple TV box. You can see when you sit it on top, it is quite a bit smaller just there. So you can see that difference around the side there. It's quite a bit thinner as well. So if you were to sit that like that, you can see there it's significantly smaller. If you're really cramped for space, I mean, it might help, but not that big a deal really. What ports have we got on here? Let's have a look. We've got the HDMI, Ethernet, and the power cord. So they pretty much look the same, just a different layout from the old device, and it doesn't have all the little symbols on the new one. So they've done away with all the little symbols on the ports just there. Don't know why they would have done that. Let's see what else we got in the box. Should just be a power cord really and the remote. So let's have a look at the Siri remote. And you can see there, remote's exactly the same. The only difference is that USB-C port in the bottom. So that's good. That remote is a substantial upgrade from the previous Apple TV to this, so that's always good. And the power cord is just a power cord, figure 8 power cord. It's exactly the same as the previous model. See what else we get down in here. just the usual regulations and stuff like that. So there you have it, guys. That's the Apple TV 4K 2022, 2021, and it's got the new USB-C Siri remote, smaller form factor, few video format upgrades, but pretty much that's about it. So hope this helped anyone who has the 2021 and just wanted to have a bit of a look at the difference between the two models, or if you're contemplating upgrading from the previous version of Apple TV before the 2021. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.